This pool right here is crystal clear, and I keep it that way all summer long. And I don't spend a ton of money on it. I don't dump a dozen different chemicals down it, and I definitely keep it super simple. Honestly, keeping a pool clear is actually pretty easy once you understand a few basic things. And that's the biggest thing I've learned over the past couple years. People actually think pool care is pretty complicated. That's because they'll walk into a pool store, give the sample, and then they'll be presented with this huge long sheet of chemicals and procedures, probably 10-15 different chemicals, and they make it sound super complicated, and they'll walk out with a huge shopping cart full of all these chemicals that they just don't understand, plus they'll have a huge bill. But in reality, you only need to understand a few core things: chlorine, pH, alkalinity, and CYA, or cyanuric acid. That's basically it. Once those things are in range, your pool care becomes really easy. For chlorine, I personally prefer liquid chlorine. It's cheap, it works fast, and is very predictable. Most of the time, all I'm really doing is checking my chlorine levels every couple days and adding more when it's needed. And that's it. Now, one thing that is important is understanding your CYA, or cyanuric acid. That's the stabilizer that protects the chlorine from sunlight. But if your CYA gets too high, your chlorine becomes less effective, and that's when people start having problems keeping their pool clear. So for me, I try to keep my chemistry simple and stable. I keep my pH in range, I keep my alkalinity in range, I keep my CYA reasonable, and then I maintain chlorine consistency. That's the whole game. You do not need to become a chemist to own a clear pool. And honestly, once you understand the basics, pool care becomes pretty easy. Most of the expensive pool store chemicals are just repackaged versions of basic stuff. Baking soda, washing soda, liquid chlorine, simple. And the result is this: clear water all summer long. No magic, no mystery, no complicated routine. Pool care does not need to become stressful. It does not need to be insanely expensive. And it definitely does not need to be complicated. So just follow these basic rules, keep watching my channel, hit subscribe, and enjoy your clear pool all summer long.